YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Earth Thunderbolt, man. Hey, today we are riding to Belmont, North Carolina to get my big muffler is gonna get cut off. My guy Chris up there in the red scat pack is gonna get his resonators cut off. It's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna get some footage for you, some before and after on both of them. He's already got a full exhaust. I don't know why he's doing this to himself, but should be some good footage. So stay tuned. And we'll get back as soon as we get to the shop. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's it right now.
That's what you're looking for.
Yeah. That's what I'm wanting to hear right now. Oh yeah.
Shawty gonna take your head off. Yes, sir. The moment of truth. What we got? Oh yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Bro, totally different car. So as you can see, I got my mids cut off. Chris got his resonators cut off. Now, Chris has a full exhaust. All right, it's a full Kooks exhaust on there. So it's got the headers and all that. I don't know if I would have cut the resonators off of that thing because I don't need my neighbors complaining about me, but it sounds good, man. Very pleased with it. If you have not gotten your mufflers cut off of your car, get them cut off right now. Do it right now. Stop what you're doing. Call out of work. Get your mufflers cut off. Go back to work. Do a donut parking lot. Do it. Don't follow me up though. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the video, man. I might get an after shot once I get where I'm going, and I put that up as well. Maybe.